Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we're comparing two popular note-taking apps, Apple Notes and Microsoft OneNote, to help you decide which one is truly better in 2025. Let's start with Apple Notes. Apple Notes is simple, fast, and built right into the Apple ecosystem. It's perfect for quick notes, to-do lists, and organizing ideas with folders and tags. It also supports handwriting, image attachments, and collaboration with other Apple users. However, it works best only within the Apple ecosystem, which limits cross-platform flexibility. Now let's talk about Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is more advanced and works on almost every platform. It's designed like a digital notebook with sections and pages, making it great for long-term projects, research, and detailed planning. It also supports multimedia content, real-time collaboration, and powerful organization tools. The only downside is that it can feel heavier and more complex if you just need simple note-taking. So, which is better? If you want something clean, fast, and Apple-only, Apple Notes is the way to go. But if you need a robust, feature-packed tool that works everywhere, Microsoft OneNote is the stronger choice. In short, Apple Notes excels at simplicity, while OneNote shines at depth and flexibility. Your choice depends on how advanced your note-taking needs are. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.